This is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete payment methods on Google Play. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Whether your credit card has expired and you can't use it, or you don't want to use a certain form of payment anymore, it is easy to remove your payment methods from Google Play. Well, I will show you how to do that on your Android phone. It's so simple. So, to remove or to delete your payment methods from your Google Play Store, you can just open your Play Store, of course. Now you can just go to your profile, but tap on your profile in here on the upper right corner. And you'll find there is an option payment and subscriptions. You can just tap on that. You can choose on payment methods. In here, you'll find there is a payment method that you use on your Play Store. If you want to remove one of them, you can just scroll down and you'll find there is an option more payment settings. Choose Chrome. So here's the payment center. We'll change to English first. So here's all your payment methods on your Google Play that you use. If you want to remove, you want to delete, you can just choose on delete in here. It's delete. You can just choose on that. Choose on delete so that payment method will be removed from your Google Play. It's so simple, right? You can add more if you want to add another payment method. You can just choose in here. So simple, right? So that is how to delete payment methods on Google Play Store. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!